else, mommy and daddy, do you have birthday wish for your baby? Oh, daddy will start.
Tissue! Tissue, palihog! Ang damit tissue!
Thank you for coming again. Then, my wish for baby, same as last year, good health.
Okay, daddy, any additional daddy?
Ay, may kudigo! Tissue, palihog!
Mia, my baby girl, my pride and joy. You make me cry, you make me laugh. My baby girl, I can't believe you're 2 years old. Wow, my God, the years have gone so fast. But I will tell them, but look what I'm told. I know this days will never last. My baby girl, I love you a lot. The things you do and the things you say, you make me want to lose the plot. But anyway, I still love you in every way. Our bond is still tight, it will never end, because my girl, I will be there for you. So thick and thin, no matter what is around the bed. Happy birthday to our princess, to my angels, and to my life.
Alright. So, pinaka-nice na message coming from daddy. Okay, everybody, let's all shout blow. 1, 2, 3, and blow, baby girl. Blow it hard, baby. Sige, dapain mo yun. Sige. You do have all the time.
Iya! Tawa, Gigi!
Luwain na